This video will show you how to install and use Thorium Reader. You will use Thorium Reader if you want to download books onto your computer to read them. You don't need to use it if you want to read them online. To install Thorium Reader, Google Thorium Reader and follow the link. Under Download Links, select Direct Install if you are installing Thorium on a Windows PC. Once it's downloaded, double-click on it to install. When you find a book that you want to download, click on the download link, choose Full eBook, EPUB, and click on Download. Double-click the downloaded book and it will open in Thorium. You may have to click the forward button to move to the first page. When you're in Thorium, All Publications shows you all your books, both those that are owned and borrowed. There are settings down in the lower left corner. Click on your book to open it. It will bring you to where you left off. The arrows move the book forward and backward, one page at a time. The bar at the bottom shows you how much progress you've made. The options across the top of the window do the following: close the book, get information on the book, activate text-to-speech. This will turn on controls to play, stop, rewind, fast forward, etc. Click Stop to turn text-to-speech off. Set text-to-speech options, search, set bookmarks by selecting the text and clicking on the bookmark, annotations, move to the table of contents. Here you'll see your bookmarks and annotations, display settings, and Zen mode. This removes all the buttons from sight. You can move forward and backward using the arrow keys. As usual, the X in the upper right-hand corner closes the program. If you need help, email shay.library@aic.edu.